Hi guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of these hopper cars that I got the other day, and just so you can have a closer look and see what they're like. They're rivet counter, of course, from Scale Trains, so they have all the brake piping and all that stuff on them. They also have the roller bearing caps on all the trucks. And this particular car was built, the real car, of course, it was built in Mexico in 2007. It has fiberglass roof troughs, hatches, and the under hatches on the bottom here are the minor auto lock 2 gravity outlet gates for that car. Alrighty, so that's that one. The next type of car we have is this SOXX car, and it is an ex-BNSF car that's been patched, of course. It was also built in Mexico, the real one, in 2010. It's car body version 1, and it has metal roof hatches, as you can see here, and it has the bottom gravity outlets is an ATP 30x30 gravity outlet on the bottom here. That would be these. All right, so that's that hopper. And the last hopper that I'm going to show you is the BNSF hopper. This one here. And it's the newest of the three. It was built in Mexico as well from 2011 to 2012. It's car body version 4. It has metal ATP Quantum Plus ports, roof hatches. That would be these. So what it is they're trough, as well as they got these round ones on the top for loading, so loading multiple different things. And the bottom gates are an Aero Gate 2 gravity pneumatic outlet gates, so they can be used for different unloading procedures as well. They're a little bit different than the regular hopper. So hope that helps, and I'll be running these in a train very soon. Probably going to run the Heritage one train as one long train, so you can have a look at all those. And that's it for today. So have a trainific day. Thanks for watching, and talk to you after.